विसावा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार। आतां पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो। भारतीय तटरक्षक दळान आपल्या दिसपट्ट्या कामांचो नियमक्रम 20 देशांतल्यान गोंयांत आयिल्ले प्रतिनिधीक दाखोवपाचे हेतान शुक्रारा अ डे एट सी ह्या उपक्रमाचें आयोजन केल्लें। ह्या वेळार तटरक्षक दळाच्या जवानांनी दर्यांतल्यो बोटींची आनी हेलिकॉप्टरांचे साबार प्रात्यक्षिकां करून दाखयल्यो। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Coast Guard at the top of its powers, an exceptional demonstration of professionalism and safety, and demonstrated clearly the ability to maintain safe and secure seas, deal with illegitimate, illegal traffic, and protect life and limb at sea in India's region. Very impressive.
Very excellent plans, and in practice it very benefit for your real time. Thank you.
Your first time visiting in India?
Yes, sir. It's very beautiful country and people friendly and very professional of the officer and airmen here in Indian Coast Guard.
Interesting and very useful exercise that we witness this time, and we saw a variety of operation exercises that the Coast Guard implemented, and we understand the high quality and high capacity of the Coast Guard to do various responsibilities, to assume various responsibilities as the Coast Guard. So it was a very good experience for me also.